Hello, it's Brian here, and today we're going to talk about how to secure your WordPress website. So first of all, we're going to install some malware protection. So go to your add new plugins portion of your WordPress website. You have to be logged in. So just search for WordFence. WordFence is a firewall malware scanning and login security plugin. So just install this. So as we are installing WordFence, right? This is a free version of WordFence. So if you take a look at the WordFence website, you'll see that the free version, you get 30-day delay on firewall rules and malware signatures. This means that whenever there are new malware detected, they will 30 days later, then it will update in your plugin. So if you want a real-time update, so it's like if there's any new malware that's released, then you would want to have the new update in your plugin, then you can actually go for the paid version, which is 119, or even the higher tier version 490 or 950. So it really depends on the level of security that you require. If you require downtime support, there's this at $950 per year, which is less than $100 per month. Yeah. So if your website is quite basic and it's not like super important for you to protect from hacks and stuff, right? Actually the free version could be good enough. Yeah. So after you have installed WordFence, just click on activate. Okay. So once it's activated, right, you will have to go to the left side menu, click on WordFence. Okay, you will have to install a license, and this license is actually free. So you can actually click on get WordFence license, and then click on get a free license. Okay, so this is where they ask you again, do you want delayed protection? The free version is delayed protection, or do you want real-time protection, which is one of the paid plans? So if you are okay for the 30 days delay, okay, just click to go ahead, enter your email address, okay, whether you want to receive security alerts, yes or no, and then agree to the license and click register. Okay, so email will be sent to the email that you put inside. Okay, so we'll just check on that in a short moment. Okay, so I have received it in the email, so I will click on install license, put in the email address as well as copy the entire license key. Okay, so the license key is free, so you don't have to use my license key. You can just register for your own license key. It's a free license key. Okay, so I'll install the license key and then agree to what I want, install license. Okay, so again, if you need real-time protection from the latest malwares, you find that a lot of people are trying to attack your website, then you should go for one of the paid tiers, instead of the free tier. Okay, so once the license has been installed, we can set up the firewall. Okay, so the good thing about the firewall is that it actually has a learning mode, so you don't really have to go through a lot of complicated settings. And then here we can see that do you want WordFence to stay up to date automatically? We should enable so that at least you get the latest 30 days updates. Okay, the first thing that I always like to do is to configure the web application firewall by clicking this. Okay, they will ask to download a file. Okay, so usually after you download a backup of this file, if nothing is wrong, it should be fine. Yeah, so most of the time I did not have to do any changes. I just download the file so that I can click continue, otherwise you can't click continue. Okay, so I downloaded the file, continue, close. Okay, firewall is now optimized. It's as simple as that. So next up, we'll go to scan. Okay, this is where we need to run scanning of malware on a regular basis. You can do it on a daily basis, you can do it on a weekly basis or monthly basis, it's up to you. Yeah, but the scan is not automated, so you have to come in here to manually scan. Yeah, so again, if you find that this is quite a cumbersome process, you can actually get one of the paid tier, so that you can the scanning can be automated. Yeah, so otherwise once you have installed this, you can just run a scan. Okay, so over here, right, you see two buttons. One is delete all deletable files and one is repair all repairable files. So as it is scanning, or once it has finished scanning, it will list out all the files that could be dangerous, right? But you will also have to evaluate whether the dangerous files are actually plugins that you are using, or are they really you did not install them. Yeah, so for this you might need a professional to come in. Yeah, so if you are using the free version, you find that okay, there are a lot of red flags that are found here and you're not sure what to do with them. Okay, don't click on delete first, don't click on repair first, because I mean your whole website could go down after you delete files, right? In any case, you can also do a backup of your website first and then do the deletion or the repairing of files. Otherwise, seek a professional like our team. We can help you to clean the malware if any is found. Yeah. So otherwise, again, you can go for the higher tier, and then malware can be taken care of automatically. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Doing regular malware scan can help protect your website. So another thing that can help protect your website, another plugin that we can use is WP Armor. Okay, with WP Armor, we can actually protect from spam comments. Yeah, so search. Okay, honeypot anti-spam. So this is a plugin that if you are using Contact Form 7, Gravity Forms, Ninja Forms, Formidable Forms, it will protect your WordPress from spam comments and spam form submissions. So this is incredibly important as well. So let's just install this. The beauty about this, right, is that it requires no setup, right? It's just install, activate, and you're done. Yeah, so first malware scanning, okay, malware protection, and then spam protection. Okay, that is pretty much it. Yeah, so you'll be able to see some stats as well. Then if you see over here, right, we have something called SG security. If you are using a hosting plugin, a hosting company like SiteGround, it actually comes with some basic security functionality that actually helps a lot as well. So we can go through what they do with SiteGround security. This plugin only works if you are hosting on SiteGround. Okay, so there's two kinds of security. Site security, where you can lock and protect system folders, hide your WordPress version, disable this, disable that. Okay, so basically if there's no reason to enable it, just disable it. Okay, then we have another option is login security. Okay, so you can actually use the login security to change your URL as well, because WP admin is quite obvious that it's a WordPress website. Then hackers might detect WP admin. So if we change the URL to something else, it will be more difficult for for hackers to detect the URL. Okay, so we can put in something like log me in to WP or anything you want. Yeah. Okay, so login access you can also protect by IP address. Yeah, so if you are using a static IP, you can actually put in your static IP so that only your IP address, the computer or the location they are using is able to log in. So but if you are using dynamic IP, don't turn this on, otherwise you will never be able to log in again. Yeah, so 2FA is yet another good way to protect your WordPress login. So 2FA using Google Authenticator. Yeah, so only the people who with the token will be able to log in, and then you can also limit login attempts. So these are all very good security features that come with SiteGround WordPress hosting. Yeah, so a little bit about SiteGround WordPress hosting. It's one of the most popular hosting for WordPress, and it's hosting over 2 million websites. The pricing is quite affordable as well, so just have to take note of the space and then the number of websites that you can log into. Yeah. Then the key thing that we want to look at for this topic is security. So regardless of which plan you go for, they provide enhanced security, which is the plugin that I shared with you earlier on. Yeah, so there is the web application firewall, there are the AI anti-bot system to block security threats. So if we combine WordFence together with SiteGround WordPress hosting, that will pretty much be quite secure already. Yeah, so in summary, WordFence is good for malware scanning. SiteGround hosting can help you with better security as well. WP Armor will be able to help you with blocking comments, blocking spam comments. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I'll have all the links to the 3 items below, so you can easily click on them, check them out as well. If you need any help, feel free to leave a comment, or if you need professional help from our team, just reach out to us. Our website is in the comments, the description below as well. Yeah, thanks.